The two new Indian films I have watched this year and I'm unequivocally happy to recommend to you both happen to be shoestring budget पर बनी मराठी इंडीज. एक थी सनडांस विनर सबरबोंडा स्लैश कैक्टस पेयर्स जिसके इंटरव्यूज सब यू कैन वॉच इधर चैनल पर. आज कौन सी है सुनो आओ. Hey y'all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel and to the second review of the week. Abhi we are talking about Jayan Digambar Somalkar's Sthal, now miraculously in movie theaters. आगे बढ़ेंगे बस एक बार सब्सक्राइब कर लें आप चैनल को. क्लिक दैट लिटिल बटन राइट अंडर दिस वीडियो राइट देयर.
15 ऑगस्ट म्हणजे लाईफ मध्ये एकदा तुम्ही झेंडा फडकवणारच नक्की.
Sthal, also called A Match, a title they used during the film's international festival run, is the story of a few days in the life of Savita, played by a wonderful and heartbreaking Nandini Chikte. A young sociology bachelor student, Savita lives with her parents and her brother in the small Maharashtra village Dongargaon. Savita is of marriageable age and her family is desperately looking for a groom. As such, every few days she is paraded by a group of men in front of a group of men who ask her the same banal questions over and over and one by one reject her as a prospective bride for various reasons. This gradually is taking a toll on everyone's mental health, particularly her father Daulat Rao, played by Taranath Khiratkar. The opening scene of this film, it takes place in Savita's dream. She sees a young man being interrogated by a group of women who are asking him the questions usually directed at her. Another sequence later on, where it seems like gradually things might be looking up for Savita in the most basic fashion, well, it also turns out to be fantasy. So dreams are where Savita's rebellion lives. Fleeting moments of control before snapping back to reality. और कंट्रोल भी क्या चाहिए उसको, बस इतना कि कुछ एजेंसी हो. 10% तो डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर हाथ में रहे कम से कम. Writer director Jayan Digambar Somalkar. He is very acutely aware of how dehumanizing this treatment of women is. The monotony of marriage negotiations, it is reminiscent of Geo Baby's The Great Indian Kitchen. Over and over, same thing. The women are stuck in the same cycle of abuse and neglect as the world around them, comprising mostly of men, keeps turning. The mechanical motions of a system that decides a woman's future is infuriating, but it also fills the frames with attention. With each rejection, pressures and anxieties are rising, and you begin to wait for something or someone to snap. So, the universe Savita and her girlfriends live in, it is beautifully observed by Somalkar. Har bar, as a new boy comes home, a new towel emerges for their new family to wash their hands with. The sticker on that towel is still intact, so that they know that it is new, nobody has touched it before. Virgin, if you may, like the girl being offered to them. When at college studying sociology, a teacher talks to Savita and her class about feminism, women empowerment, writing the words Nari Sashaktikaran onto a chalkboard that has been stuck on top of another chalkboard, the old one still visible on the wall. So the professor is simply layering theory over a reality that's unchanged. ऊपर ऊपर से उसको सजा लीजिए, पीछे से सब वही पुराना चल रहा है ट्रेडिशन के नाम पर.
तसंही जास्त शिकून का फायदा? लग्नच करायचं आहे ना.
पोरगी पसंद नाही म्हणे त्याने.
And you know, दोस्तों, watching this in an air-conditioned movie theater will make the bitter irony of it all very clear. Savita and her friends, they look at photos of celebrity couples on their phones like you and I do. Vicky Katrina, Virat Anushka, Ranveer Deepika. You know, these are people who have sold their viewers Bollywood dreams, who have told these girls that they are worthy of love, of romance. While in reality, the choice of men available to these young women in Maharashtra is far from being aspirational to anyone. Like Savita's brother Mangya, many young boys in this village are jobless. They're whiling away time with their friends at tobacco shops. And those who happen to have a government job, they're treated like royalty. By luck of being born and getting to pursue their desires, patriarchy continues to widen the gap between genders. Education may try to keep closing said gap, but the institution is just too strong. Why I said miraculous at the beginning of this review is because indie cinema, especially if it is not in Hindi, is fighting a very difficult battle in India right now. Perhaps it always has. Despite the Grand Prix win and international acclaim, a film like All We Imagine Is Light had to struggle to bring people to the theatres. Third, despite its award at the Toronto International Film Festival where it premiered and showings at Mami and other places, it joins the ranks of rare, small-budget films making it to the big screen. The least one can do is buy a ticket and support the arts. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Sthal is One thappad appears towards the end. I will not tell you who delivers it and to whom. But if you watch the film, come back, tell me in the comments, does that really happen? Or is that a dream as well? Up next, we will be talking about Bong Joon-ho's Mickey 17. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before that review arrives tomorrow. Subscribe, alright? 150 hone wale. My name is Acharita. Thank you for stopping by.